Alright guys, I'm about to share with you a way to get involved with the stock market and make some money on the side. Next. What's up guys, it's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video, I'm going to jump right into it guys. I'm going to share with you how you can start getting involved with the stock market today, right? And start generating some extra income, some extra passive income, alright? So, what I'm talking about is something I talked about before, but guys, this is still super popular, and people are using this to make some extra money. And I'm talking about Acorns, the Acorn app. All right, if you're not familiar with Acorn, let me see something real quick. I'll bring it up. Let's see, I'll make it bigger. Boom. Okay, see that right there? Boom. Little app. The Acorn app made it bigger on my phone. All right, so this app, guys, allows you to start saving money and invest that money into stocks, the real stock market, right? So if you ever thought about getting to the stock market and you kind of hesitant, you don't feel like you know a lot, this is a great way to get involved and actually, put your money in real stocks, all right? So it helps you save money because how Acorn works is every time you spend some money via your debit card or credit card that you hook up to your Acorns account, every time you spend money, it actually rolls it up to the nearest dollar, and then you're able to actually, that money difference goes into your Acorns account, and it goes into your investments, whatever you decide to invest in, which is really, really cool, guys. So also what happens is at the end, well, I'm gonna say at the end of the year, but what a lot of people do, they just let everything just add up and accumulate, okay, to the end of the year. They look at it and they just got all this money sitting there from they call it like roll-ups, all this money sitting there that you can actually withdraw if you want. You can withdraw your money out anytime. I've seen people have $800, $500, $200 saved up, and some over $1,000 in short periods of time. It really just depends on how often you use your credit or debit card, and a lot of people use their debit cards a lot. All right, so you can hook up your bank account, your credit or debit cards to your Acorn, guys. Absolutely, like, super cool because it runs on autopilot. I will say I check my account like every other day just to see where my money is at, how much did I use, or how much did I earn on my roll-ups, whatever. But just make sure your accounts, I would check every few weeks, make sure your accounts is still hooked up, because one time, actually a couple times, my bank account, for whatever reason, it just got disconnected to my Acorns app, so I wasn't getting my roll-ups, right? So I made sure it's connected now. It's running real smooth, guys. This is a great way to save and actually invest in the stock market. But a bonus thing that the Acorn does is they take referrals. So they actually pay for referrals. So whenever you sign up for Acorns and you invest like $5 or whatever, they give you money to invest. So they actually will pay you and the person you refer, right, to Acorns. When they sign up, they'll give you $5, and they'll give the person that you refer $5 to start your account, guys. So easy money. So what you can do is promote it to the people on Facebook. If you got a YouTube channel like I'm doing, you can promote this. Like I said, Facebook, definitely Facebook. You can just be like, hey guys, I'm using this app, whatever. If you want the link, message me or something like that. Just figure it out. There's tons of stuff on Facebook to show you how to market and stuff like that. I got videos to show you how to market on Facebook. But guys, 3 cool benefits to using Acorns. All right, 1, it will automatically help you save money. 2, it will put money in the stock market. And 3, they have a referral plan that can pay you, that will pay you $5 for every new person that you bring in. I also will say, like, at least 3 to 4 times a year, they run specials where they'll pay you like $200 or $500 to get like 10 signups. So that's another reason why you want to have your Acorn app on deck, for when those specials roll through. And like I said, especially through the holiday season and everything, guys, this can make you some nice extra cash. All right, guys. So if you don't have Acorns yet, link below, guys. Sign up. If you have any questions, put them below, and I try to help you out best of my ability. But it's very, very easy to get started. When you join, just like I said, you will get $5 automatically. So, guys, you have nothing to lose and a lot to gain. All right. So check that out. Give this video a thumbs up if you like what I just said. Also, be sure to subscribe because you see I'm bringing that content. All right. Till the next time. Peace. Hey, thanks for watching this video. I just got 3 quick questions for you. 1, if you had the opportunity to make a passive income month after month, would you? 2, if you can work whenever you want, from wherever you want, would you? And the 3rd question is, if you could have your own business in a billion-dollar industry, would you? If you answered yes to any of these questions, click the link in the description, and I'll talk to you soon.